Hello, Peace Seekers. Welcome to this sacred sunset meditation. The purpose of this practice is to provide you with the space for channeling peace and tranquil energy. You deserve to feel, be, and live at your best. If you dedicate a few minutes per day to your well-being, you are guaranteed to reap benefits that can affect you and everyone you love. Please feel free to get comfortable, sit back, and enjoy the view. To relax to optimal comfort, you may choose a setting that is to your liking. At this time, you may be exploring the wonders of the beach, sitting outside on a porch or veranda, or relaxing at home with all imagery channeled in your mind. Take a moment to look around and take a deep breath. Inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. The sky is immersed with colors. There are shades of blue, yellow, orange, and white, scattered like an intricate masterpiece. Allow your soul to be illuminated by the power from each color. These colors are mood altering and can uplift, enlighten, and spark creativity. The sights and many wonders of nature also have the power to heal. Absorb the healing energy. Feel your body sink into a deeper place of comfort as you enjoy the delightful view. Feel the warmth of the golden sunlight. The warm energy slowly radiates your entire crown, travels down to the muscles in your face, allowing each one to loosen. The energy then moves on to your throat chakra, then enters your heart. Allow your heart chakra to be stimulated by the sunlight. You feel invigorated and content. You feel an overwhelming sense of love for yourself, others, and for the earth. The golden warm energy slowly travels down your abdomen, thighs, calves, and feet. Your entire body is now bathed by the golden glow, and you are now one with the hovering sky. Take a deep breath. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. With each beat of your heart, be comforted by the feelings of peace, warmth, contentment, and sovereignty. You are a sacred soul. You are marvelous. You are love. As we seal this practice, allow your pulse to return to its normal pace. Thank you for participating in this meditation. Love and light.